If you're seeing Hubspot error 500 or error code 1006, don't worry, because in this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back into Hubspot as fast as possible. This issue is often caused by a VPN, proxy, browser cache, extensions, or even a temporary Hubspot server problem. The good news is that most of the time, you can fix it yourself in just a few minutes. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, the easiest thing to try is disabling your VPN or proxy if you have one turned on. Hubspot can sometimes block or struggle with traffic that comes through a VPN, so if you're connected to one, turn it off completely and then refresh the page. If the error is still there, try waiting a few minutes and loading Hubspot again, because sometimes the issue is temporary and resolves on its own. Next, clear your browser cache. If you're using Chrome, click the three dots in the top right. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and select Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to clear cached images and files, and if needed, cookies as well. Old or corrupted browser data can prevent Hubspot from loading correctly, so this step is very important. After that, try disabling your browser extensions. Sometimes ad blockers, script blockers, privacy tools, or other extensions can interfere with Hubspot's pages and trigger this kind of error. In Chrome, click the three dots, choose Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and either turn them off one by one or disable them all temporarily to test. If Hubspot starts working after that, you'll know one of the extensions was the problem. Another very effective fix is switching your network. If you're on Wi-Fi, try using a mobile hotspot. If you're on a hotspot, switch back to Wi-Fi. This helps you find out whether your current network is causing the connection issue. Sometimes corporate networks, firewalls, or unstable internet connections can trigger access errors inside Hubspot. If none of that works, check the Hubspot status page to see whether there's a temporary outage or server-side issue. If Hubspot is experiencing problems on their end, there may be nothing wrong with your browser or device at all, and the best solution is simply to wait until their service is back to normal. So to quickly recap, disable VPN or proxy, refresh the page, clear your cache, disable extensions, switch networks, and check Hubspot status. In most cases, one of those steps will fix Hubspot error 500 or error code 1006. If this video saved you time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone else who's having the same issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.